For those who are more like the hands-on type of people, we also have the computer technician course, more like the handyman of IT. You learn a little about everything. You get to understand how data communication works, a little bit about networking. You also get to learn about the basics of computer architecture, both on the hardware side and on the software side. You also learn about the sustainability of computer environment and green technologies, because most of the hardware in IT can contain some harmful materials, so disposing of those materials should be done in an eco-friendly manner. And also we learn about the social media and digital literacy. We also teach about the basic technology of the end user, using your basic computers, because some people may not have the skills to use the technology to the fullest. So end user computing is also part of this course. Business communication and customer services. As a computer technician, you definitely deal with a lot of people within the organization, since you are the go-to guy fixing things. The network is broken, PCs are not working, certain software is not working on end users' devices. We will need those communication skills to be able to communicate with them. And also work standards are also something that we learn about, the basic procedures within the working environment, how to create those documents and how to adhere to the standards within the organization.